I'm gonna show you how to add a new expense in Xero. So to get started, make sure that you go to xero.com and then log in into your credentials or sign into your account via email or Google. So from here, you just have to go to businesses, and then when you click on businesses, all you have to do is just go to expense claims, and then once you're in expense claims, it will show you all of the expenses claims that you have and that you have in your company. So from here, you just have to click on expense claim right above here, and then you have to go to your expenses right here and then add an expense. And then from here, you just have to input all of the expenses right here. So you can add a currency, add a price, and then description of if it's you want, but it is optional. But also you can click on the amount that you want. Make sure that you select the proper amount right here, or the specific amount that you want. Also, you can upload an image on the left side right here. Just have to manage or upload an image. Also, you can select an account where what do you want or what expenses from. So also from here, you can also input all necessary details here, and if you want, it's also optional. So from there, you just have the total right below here. Then once you're done editing or adding an expense, all you have to do is just click on approve right above here. And then once you click on approve, you can just now submit or share the expenses to the company that you want. As you can see, the expense now is added into your current billing or your current business statement. So that's pretty much it. That's how to add a new expense in Xero.